morning.
Good morning. Today's our first day in Athens, Greece. Like usual, it's later than most mornings. It's almost noon.
There's a reason for that. We went to bed, I think, around 1:30 a.m. We got in really late from Rome, and then we had to take the metro in and a short taxi ride. Everything went so smoothly, which was really nice. Not as smoothly as like Rome went. So, I mean, Rome was not as smooth as this.
Making the decisions was quick. So
it was good. It was easy.
The metro was about 40 minutes to get from the airport over here. And then we just got outside. Kristen called us an Uber. Like
Everyone was still up. Like it was like, what, midnight, and everyone was still out and about. And just, it definitely felt much easier, I think, because there were so many people out that it wasn't like...
A lot of young people, too.
Yeah. So it wasn't like we were the only people trying to figure out what to do, where to go. It's like there was people around.
Some things that we were trying to do in advance, but I guess now we're doing as we go. Language. So a lot of the countries we've been to recently, it's been pretty easy to pick up on the thank yous, yes, no, hello, things like that. And so I always try to get thank you at least. So thank you is efkaristo.
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 Yes, in Greek, is ne.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
Yeah. No. Ohi.
We do it again?
Ohi. And hello. Yasu.
Okay, we're probably butchering them.
Yeah. We'll pick it up hopefully as we hear other people talk. Or we'll just,
muddle our way through like we usually do.
Yeah, it'll endear us to them as they see us trying.
Alright, so we found an excellent Airbnb for a really good price with a washer, and it has so far lived up to the descriptions. And the host, Jerry, has given us so much information, maps, everything. Like, he's been so nice, it's been great. So come along, we have our little foyer area, place to hang clothes to dry or towels, closet. This is a couch that was already turned into a bed for us, which was awesome. We have a desk area, we have a little balcony, table, the kitchen over here, kitchenette, little induction stove, sink, fridge, microwave, the washer, little cockroach that we found last night that Peter ended, which was great. We have the back room, which is actually pretty unique. It's a little dark, there's only a couple lights in there, but the sink is really like cool, this like rock thing. Shower's fine, it's got a rainfall shower head, which is nice. It doesn't have like, what you call it?
A lip?
A lip to keep the water in, but it is angled a little bit, so the water doesn't get too much on the ground. And then your typical toilet, you can't throw toilet paper in there in Greece, but that's the only thing to pay attention to there. So it's a pretty basic, but really nice Airbnb. And we have rooftop access, which should be really cool for a good view. So
I've finally put on all my coating of sunscreen to protect myself. So Kristen's waited long enough. We're gonna go get some food and explore some of Athens.
wow. Oh look, there's the Acropolis. That's crazy. We're going there later today.
I think we're definitely coming back here later and probably tomorrow. This is cool.
Very abrupt.
For breakfast, lunch, I got a caprese sandwich. It's kind of just the first thing that we saw, but it seems pretty good. And we're going to explore parts of Athens now. Let's see where we end up.
We're in this park near our place, and there's all these purple flowers with the trees. There's a lot on the ground, but we don't know what they are. They're really pretty. They're everywhere.
Hello. Are you having a nice day? I'm surprised to see how much graffiti there is. It's like homes, shops, important buildings. It just seems like nothing is spared from it. So I don't know if that's just cultural or there's just that much going on and that much tagging, but it's everywhere. Finished with our cinnamon rolls and our coffees, and now we're heading back to the Airbnb just to do a little bit of work like usual and head out later. Lastly, everything, mostly like the grocery stores and main Greek stores, are closed today. It's Sunday. So most of the stuff that's open are like coffee shops or tourist attractions. So
And like mini marts, little
mini marts,
yeah.
but not grocery stores. So we're going to be doing a lot of stuff tomorrow, as well as other types of shopping. So that was a surprise to us, but it makes sense given the Eastern Orthodox influence on the country. Back out from our break.
And we're heading to the Acropolis for a late afternoon, and then we have some dinner reservations. It's quite the hike to get up there.
I chose the wrong day to wear pants. I was trying to be a little bit more respectful, but it's hot and it's a hike. Well, we just arrived at the Acropolis and we are going to be doing a tour from Rick Steves from his audio tour podcast. So if we have earbuds in and look antisocial, that's why. But they've been great so far. We used it in Rome.
For the Colosseum.
For the Colosseum, and now we're going to use it here.
Mm-hmm. Also, look at this view. It is incredible.
We're ending our tour of the Acropolis. Gonna go get dinner pretty soon.
It was great, and it's a beautiful day and evening.
Couldn't ask for a better one. Very good. How was your gelato?
It was good. It was actually pretty strong. It was passion fruit, and it was very sour, which was a good palate cleanse after the onions and garlic at dinner, but also very strong. So I gave Peter some.
Thank you. Overall, I think it was a pretty good day.
Yeah, it was great.
Thanks for planning it.